Okay, so we'll continue the questions. Right. A vertical tower, a vertical tower. Question: a vertical tower, a vertical tower, a vertical tower stands on a vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane. A vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane. Okay, a vertical tower stands on a horizontal. A vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane and is surmounted by a vertical flagstaff of height h. Okay, a vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane and is surmounted by a vertical flagstaff of height h, small h. At a point on the plane, the angle of elevation of the bottom, and top of the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of the flagstaff are alpha and beta respectively. Prove that the height of the tower is h tan alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha. The start question. Okay. Question again. A vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane and is surmounted by a vertical flagstaff of height h, small h. At a point on the plane, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of of the flagstaff are alpha and beta respectively. Prove that height of the tower is h tan alpha divided by tan beta minus tan alpha. Question clear or not? Hello. Question. Others, is it okay? Question. Everyone have the clear question, right? Okay. So don't start. This is a good start question. Nia, look. A vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane and is surmounted by a vertical flagstaff of height h, small h. At a point on the plane, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of the flagstaff are alpha and beta respectively. Prove that the height of the tower is h tan alpha divided by tan beta minus tan alpha. Clear or not? Is it okay? Okay. Now look at here. Hello, a vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane. This is the figure. Look. Okay. Here, AB is the tower. Okay. Okay. Usually, how to keep the how to keep a flower hoisting? Just keep the flower flag here. How to keep flag? Just keep it here or not? What to do? Hey, someone answer. Hello. Can you hear me or not? With a stand. With a stand. Right or not? With a stand. Or stand is a flag step, right? Keep it a flag step here. Correct? Correct or not? Right? Okay. So here, this is the flag. Suppose this is the flag. Flag step of height h. This is h. Okay, flag here. Okay, this is the flag. Okay. It's a maybe US flag. We cannot keep our flag. We can use public can use only Independence Day and Republic Day only, right? Rest of the days, local people, public cannot use it. Correct or not? You know that, right? You will be in jail. Only 2 days only public can use it. We can host the flag, Republic Day and Independence Day. Maybe US flag. US flag, no problem. Anyone can use it anytime. There is no issues. They can make trouser also, underwear or pillow cover with the flag. Okay, there is no issue for them. Okay. So now here, okay, listen here. This is the AB, the tower. Okay, we can assume the tower height is h. Then here 1 point O. Okay. The question, second point. Listen on. A vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane, tower AB on a horizontal plane, and is surmounted by a vertical flagstaff of height h, small h. Then the angle of at a point, the angle of elevation of the top and bottom. Top is alpha. Top of the flagstaff here. This is alpha. Okay. Second point is beta. Figure understood or not? Figure okay or not? It's like okay. Listen here. It's like suppose you are standing the ground. Suppose you're standing on the ground. Look at the opposite building. First, you look at the 5th floor, then 10th floor, like that. Or here you're standing. Here is the top of your building. Then there's a water tank here. Above the water tank, you're looking like that. Situation understood or not? Aksha, is it okay? Situation okay or not? Mansvi, is it okay or not? Listen, it's not need a basic trigonometric ideas enough. That means practical knowledge. Suppose you're standing, when you go out, look at the opposite building, 2nd floor, then go to the 5th floor, like that. Okay, that height is h. Now we have to find out the height of the tower is h tan alpha divided by tan beta minus tan alpha. Okay, so write, draw figure first. Okay. Okay, right? Let A be the tower. Let A be, right? Let AB be the tower. Let AB be the tower and BC be the flagstaff. BC be the flagstaff. BC be the flagstaff. Okay. Let O be a point on the plane. Let O be a point on the plane. Okay. Containing the foot of the tower. Containing the foot of the tower. Containing the foot of the tower such that angle of elevation of the bottom. Angle of elevation of the bottom B and top C of the flagstaff at O are alpha and beta respectively. Alpha and beta respectively. Okay. Then let OA. Okay. Let AB equal to capital H. AB equal to capital H. Okay, here write others from the figure. I just give a situation. Look at here. Let AB. Look at the figure. Let AB be the tower and BC be the flagstaff. Clear? Clear or not? Others. Okay. Let O be a point. Let O be a point on the plane. On the plane. Let B be a point on the plane. Let O be a point. Let O be a point on the plane. Such that let O be a point on the plane containing the foot of the tower. Containing the foot of the tower such that the angle of elevation of the bottom, beta, angle of elevation of the bottom B and top C of the flagstaff at O are alpha and beta respectively. Okay. Clear now. Let AB equal to capital H. Okay. This is the now look at here now. So our requirement is the height is H tan alpha divided by tan beta minus tan alpha. Look, in triangle OAB, tan alpha equal to capital H divided by OA. Call it number 1. Tan alpha equal to H divided by OA. Okay. Then in triangle OAC, tan beta equal to H plus H divided by OA. Call it number 2. Now, our answer, there is no OA. How to remove OA easily? How to remove OA? What action? Divide it. Okay, dividing tan beta divided by tan alpha equal to H plus H by capital H. Okay. Then cross multiply. H tan beta equal to H tan alpha plus H tan alpha. Correct or no? H capital H tan alpha, small h tan alpha. Okay. So we want H coming here. H into tan beta minus tan alpha equal to H tan alpha. Right? H into tan beta minus tan alpha equal to small h tan alpha. Therefore, H equal to this much. H. Okay. On the other side, equating, you can better divide now. Prisoner, that is okay, but you can just divide it. Finish. Okay. Equating, we have to make it that same only. Okay. Right now. So is it okay? Clear now? This is start question. Okay. Yashvi, you join late or not? Is it okay for you? Okay. So write first, write all the steps and write it. Okay. Okay. Okay, finish or not? Is it okay? Hello, is it okay or not? Finish? Okay. So I'm going to next question now. Is it okay? Manasvi, finish or not? Okay. So next question, same type. Okay, okay, I'll wait. Okay. Okay. Finish? Sharon, finish or not? Okay. So next question. Similar one question. Okay. From a point P, from a point P, from a point P, from a point P on the ground, from a point P on the ground. From a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation, the angle of elevation, the angle of elevation, the angle of elevation of the top and the angle of elevation of the top of a 10-meter tall building. 10-meter tall building. Once again, from a point P on the ground, from a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation, the angle of elevation of the top of a, the angle of elevation of the top of a 10-meter tall building is 30 degree. Is 30 degree. Once again, from a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of a 10-meter tall building is 30 degree. Okay. A flag is hoisted. A flag is hoisted at the top of the building. A flag is hoisted at the top of the building, and the angle of elevation of the top of the flagstaff. The angle of elevation of the top of the flagstaff from P is 45 degree. A flag is hoisted at the top of the building, and the angle of elevation of the top of the flagstaff from P is 45 degree. Find the length of the flagstaff. Find the length of the flagstaff and distance of the building. Distance of the building. Find the length of the flagstaff and the distance of the building from the point P. From the point P. Take root 3, 1.732. Take root 3, 1.732. Okay, clear now? Is it okay now? Question clear or not? Last line, okay. A flag, and look, a flag is hoisted. Okay, I'm reading that. A flag is hoisted at the top of the building. A flag is hoisted at the top of the building, and the angle of elevation of the top of the building, and the angle of elevation of the top of the flagstaff, and the angle of elevation of the top of the flagstaff from P is 45 degree. From P is 45 degree. Find the length of the flagstaff. Find the length of the flagstaff and the distance of the building, and the distance of the building from point P. Find the length of the flagstaff and the distance of the building from point P. Take root 3, 1.732. The figure is exactly like previous question. Okay. Now, okay, Sridarshini. And is it okay? Okay. Lavanya, you got the question? And Zuri. Okay. Then try now. Figure is exactly like previous question. Okay. Okay, try now. Okay, are you getting now? Able. Safilya. Kavani, root 3 values given, then you have to use it. Root 3 values given, so you have to apply that. Okay. Height is 7.32 meter. Height is 7.32 meter and distance is 17.32. Okay, I'll wait. Abir, getting or not? Okay. Okay. Okay, distance, look at here at a point P. Look, the figure is here, P here. Okay, AB, the building, A here, B here. This is 10 meter. The flagstaff here, H. So this angle, first angle is 30 degree, right? 30. This angle 60 degree. This is the figure. Okay, once you got the figure or not? Okay. So we have to find out this distance. You have to find out first. Tan 30, 10 divided by PA. 1 by root 3 equal to 10 divided by PA. PA equal to 10 root 3. You can find out that 10 into 1.732, 17.32 meter. Then next, tan 60, 10 plus h divided by 10 root 3. Tan 60 root 3 equal to 10 plus h divided by 10 root 3. That is 30 equal to 10 plus h. Correct? H equal to 20. No. Oh, tan 45 only? Okay, 45. Then okay. Okay, tan, sure 45, right? Okay. Tan 45 equal to 10 plus h by 10 root 3. Okay, so 10 root 3 equal to 10 plus h. So h equal to 10 root 3 minus 10. So that is 7.32 meter. 7.32 meter. Okay. Okay. For all finish. I want to see some books. Okay. Yes. Sad, you finish? Sad, Mansvi, Afam, Alisa. Okay. Ansari, send the note. Manav, send me the note. Halima, Gaudam. Yeah, this question answer. This question answer send me. Jayant, I want to see the note. Kashinath, Madhav, Mishab. Okay, then later you have to send it. Okay. Affirm. Nasarin, you got no? Norin, Nubaid. I want to see the note. Okay, no problem. You write. Okay. Then why not writing with the pen? Alisa, everyone, every time you write with the pen. Your exam, you're writing with the pen only, no? There is no chance to write with the pencil and again writing. So, okay, Alima, later enough. Okay. Sonali, that is three. Finish or not? Okay. For all finished, send me and let me check. Okay. Mansvi, you have to explain. Don't just start Mansvi. You have to explain where is the point P and this is the height and all. A short description. Okay. Otherwise, you won't get mark. Okay, Manav. Okay. Everyone should have some explanation. Okay. Yeah, now you send it, but you have a short description. 1 mark is there for the short description. Okay. Why you want to miss the 1 mark simply? So now I need to make a big story, but you next time you make a short description. Okay, Abir, finish or not? Yeah, I checked all. Okay. Yeah, send first. Okay. Now everyone finished. Now only is asking me the send the question. Now you check the YouTube. Okay, everyone finished now. So you can check that it is. I'll record. I'll update today. Okay, leave some space, or I'll send you the question. Okay, just wait. I'll send you the question. So I'll send you the question. Okay, check the question. Abir, don't start directly turn 30, turn 60 and all. You got to explain the figure. Okay. Like Gulf Indian students, why not writing this all? Okay. So next question. Ramsha, finish? Hello. Finish or not? Okay. First you have to write the description, not after that. Okay. Okay. So next question. Is it okay? So 1 mark for that description, short description, figure and all. Don't miss that one. Okay. So next question, right? From a window, this is a star question. From a window, 60-meter height. From a window, 60-meter height above the ground. 60-meter height above the ground. Suppose you're sitting near the window. Maybe you're sitting near the window, right? From a window, 60-meter height. This is the window, 60-meter height. Okay. From a window, 60-meter height from the ground of a house in a street. Of a house in a street, the angle of elevation and depression. The angle of elevation and depression. The angle of elevation and depression of the foot of the top and foot of another house. Of the top and foot of another house. Okay, the top and foot of another house. On the opposite street are 60 degree and 30 degree. Are 60 degree and 30 degree. 60 degree and 45 degree. 60 degree and 45 degree. 60 degree and 45 degree. Okay. Look at the figure. Hello. Question again. From a window 60 meters above the ground of a house in a street, the angle of elevation and depression of the top and foot of another house, okay, are 60 degree and 45 degree. Find the height of the opposite house. Find the height of the opposite house. The height of the opposite house is 60 into 1 plus root 3 meter. You have to get like this only. You want to find out 60 into 1 plus root 3 meter. Question clear or not? Question okay? Others. Okay, look at here. Question. From a window. What happened? Our mic not working? You are not hearing clearly? Then I'll change the mic. Okay, from a window. Now, okay. I change the mic now. From a window, 60 meter Wait. Yeah, wait. From a window 60-meter height above the ground. From a window 60-meter height above the ground of a house in a street, the angle of elevation and depression. The angle of elevation and depression of the foot and top of the foot and top of another house in the street are 60° and 45°. 60° and 45°. Show that the height of the opposite house. Show that the height of the opposite house is 60 into 1 plus root 3 meter. Which is better now? The previous audio or present audio is better? This one. Okay. Then I'll use this one. Okay. Previous one. Okay. Come on, man. Previous one I spent 90 dinar. This is previous one only better, I think. Okay. Should be better that. Okay. So, yeah. Okay. Anyway, now look at here. Both are same. Okay. Listen here. Previous one is the actually previous one is usually used for the drama, big drama and all. You see, no? Look. This is a mic. Okay. Look. Okay. Look at here. Come on. Others, you got the question? Okay, listen here. Other, who are all sitting near the window? Hello. Who are all sitting near the window? Okay. Okay. Open the curtain. Open the curtain. And first, look at your, which, Aksha, which floor? Which floor you're sitting? 7th. Okay. Any opposite building? Any opposite building? No. Why no opposite building? Okay. No building. You're in desert. You're sitting. Okay. Who all have opposite building? Okay. Others. Others. Which floor? Others. 4th. Okay. Opposite building. How many floors? Opposite building. 2 floor. No. I need more height. Okay. Yashvi. Which floor? 6. Opposite building. How many floors? 10. Okay. Good. Okay. Yashvi. Hello. Listen here. Yashvi sitting here. Okay. 4th floor. Open the curtain. Look at the opposite building. 10th floor. That angle is 60°. Okay. Then look at the opposite building ground. Okay. That is 45°. Clear now? Plan understood or not? Ramsha, clear or not? Plan. Okay. Your Ramsha, your opposite building, that yellow color. Yellow, no. What color that one? Yellow, I think. Yeah. Yellow color of top floor. Then ground floor. Like that. Okay. Now you can find out. Yeah. Okay. It is yellow. Okay. So I have some problem color. Okay. So that yellow color building top, then same window, you look at down. Okay. Now here, look at here. This is 60. This is also 60. Okay. This is 60. Here also, why it is 60? Any idea? Because 45°. Tan 45° equal to 60 divided by AC. So tan 45 60 divided by AC. AC equal to 60. This 60, this also 60. After that, this triangle, tan 60, this by this one. You'll get this one. Then add it. You'll get it. Try now. Okay. Ramsha, who told you it is yellow color? It is green, no? It was yellow. Hello. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. No problem. Okay. I did understood, no? Okay. So we got this is okay. Now tan 60. Tan 60 equal to DE divided by 60. Tan 60 root 3 equal to DE divided by 60. Therefore, DE equal to 60 root 3. So total how much? 60 plus 60. 60 plus 60 root. That means 60 into 1 plus root 3. 60 into 1 plus root 3. I hope clear all. Okay. Okay. Now, okay. So, Parth, you want the question? Okay. So, Verona, can you send me the question? So I can send to Parth. Parth, I send you. Okay. Hello, Parth. Okay. Yeah. Now this is now look at here. Look at the figure. Okay. Then speed up. Then I'll do the next question. Okay. Because we late. Everyone finish this one, then we are going to next question. Next a good question. Okay. Okay. Part you can complete, no? So next question, right? Right. The angle of elevation of a jet plane. The angle of elevation of a jet plane. Angle of elevation of a aeroplane. Okay. Angle of elevation of a jet plane or aeroplane. Okay. From a point A, on the ground is 60 degrees. The angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degrees. Point A on the ground is 60 degrees. Okay. After a flight of 30 seconds, after a flight of 30 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. 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 Okay. If the jet plane is flying at constant height of 3,600 root 3 meter. 3,600 root 3 meter. 3,600 root 3 meter. Find the speed of the jet plane. Find the speed of the jet plane. Find the speed of the jet plane. Okay. Find the speed of the jet plane. Okay. Look at here. Question again. Look. Hello. Question again. The angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point on the ground is 60 degrees. From a point, the angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degrees. After a flight of 30 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. The angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. If the jet plane is flying at constant height of 3,600 root 3 meter. 3,600 root 3 meter. Find the speed of the jet plane. Find the speed of the jet plane. Find the speed of the jet plane. Okay. Okay. Okay, question clear or not? Hello? Is it okay? Okay, now, normal speed of a flight, how much? Near. Normal speed, how much? Average speed. Hello? Average speed of a flight, how much? Come on, you type it. Who all have idea? The speed, how much? A flight speed, how much? Come on. No one had, only Saad only idea. Rest all guys, no idea. Who? Amina. Hey, come on, Amina. I want to, hey, Amina saying 10,000. I want to fly, I want to go that flight. Okay, 10,000 means half an hour enough for me to reach Cochin. Amina, you from which place? No, you said 10,000. Okay. 1,000. You said 1,000. Okay. Look at here. Average speed. Any other idea? Average speed of a flight. Yeah, it is around 800,000 like that. Not 500. Rudisha, 500 is maybe domestic flight. India domestic flights only. Okay. From that depends on. Okay, the pilot cannot increase the speed. You know that. No, pilot cannot increase or decrease the speed. Who? Then who will decide it? Yeah, air traffic controller, right? Air traffic controller only deciding the speed, altitude, and everything. Right? Okay. According to their decision only he do. Okay. So now normally this flight questions you have to convert to always kilometer per hour. Okay. Better kilometer per hour. Okay. Now back to the question. The angle of elevation. You can why net is issue. The angle of elevation. Okay. The angle of elevation. Right. Listen. The angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point on the ground is 60 degrees. Look. Don't write. It's also star question. Look. A, B. The angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point on the ground is 60 degrees. Okay. Now, look. Here, A, B, C. This angle is 60 degrees. Okay. Then, after a flight of 30 seconds, the angle of change is 30 degrees. How we know it is going to here or this direction? Which direction? This direction or this direction? After C or that means my right, left, right. Okay. Why? Because angle is decreased. Correct or no? Angle is decreased. That's why it is going this direction. Okay. This is A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So next time when you travel, you check the flight speed and all. Okay. In front of your seat, you can see altitude, speed, where you reach and all. Right. I think Kuwait Airways is there. Right. Many flights you can see. Okay. Okay. Here, listen here. Initially, the flight at C. The height is 1,500 root 3. 1,500 root 3 meter. This also 1,500 root 3 meter. Okay. Are you clear now? Question clear? Initially, the flight at C. Why it is called aircraft? Come on. Why it is called aircraft? Not saying rocket. Why it is called in aircraft? Why? What is the reason? It is in the air. Yes. It is in the atmosphere, right? It is in our atmosphere only. Okay. So Aksha, that's good answer. Okay. Listen here. Initially, the flight at C. That time, angle of elevation of the flight at is 60 degrees. Okay. Okay. Then after 30 seconds, angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. Now we have to find the speed of the aircraft. Okay. Yes. Okay. When is, I think around 100 years, correct or no? 1905, right? So yeah, more than 100 years. 120 years is started, right? Okay. So look, figure okay or not? No, height is, oh, sorry, height is, what's the question I said? Oh, they made a mistake. 3,000, okay, 3,600. Yeah, they made a mistake in the question. 3,600 root 3. 3,600 root 3. Okay. Figure okay or not? Yeah, correct. Ashwini is correct. You said, okay. The angle of elevation of a jet plane at a point, from a point on the ground is 60 degree. From here, this angle 60 degree. And after 30 seconds, it is 30 degree. Then we have to find the speed. Okay. How to find the speed? Mansvi, speed equal to what? Hello, Mansvi, answer it. Speed equal to what? Distance divided by time. Okay, distance divided by time. Okay, now listen here. Don't start. Okay, we are going to find, our plan is like this. We find the distance CE. Distance covered by the aircraft in 30 seconds. We can find out the distance. Okay. That distance divided by 30. So we got the speed. Correct or no? You have to get the speed from C to E. That is same as B to D. Plan okay or not? Is it okay, plan? Our plan is, our requirement is speed. Speed equal to distance divided by time. So we are going to find out distance covered by the flight from C to E. That is same as B to D. Okay. Now look at here. You have to explain. You have to explain where is the flight at C, angle of elevation 60 degree. After 30 seconds, it is reached at E, angle of elevation is 30 degree. Okay. Tan 60. The 4-mark question. 4-mark question. If you're not explaining, you'll get maybe 2. Depends on the teacher, or 3, like that. Maximum 3. You won't get full. Okay. Even you get the answer. Okay. Tan 60 equal to 3,600 root 3 by AB. Tan 60, 3,600 root 3 by AB. So root 3 equal to 3,600 root 3 by AB. Okay, root 3 cancel. AB equal to 3,600 root 3 meter. Okay, AB we got it. Then now tan 30 equal to 3,600 root 3 divided by AD. 1 by root 3 equal to 3,600 root 3 by AD. AD equal to 3,600 into 3. 10,800. Okay, 108. Correct or no? 10800, right? Multiplication 3600 into 3. Okay. Therefore, BD equal to 10800 minus 3600. How much? 7200 meter. Okay, we got the distance. Therefore, speed 7200 divided by 30. Cancel. That is how much? 240 meter per second. So we can convert to kilometer per hour. How to convert kilometer per hour? 240 into how to convert it? 5 by 18, right? Okay. Sure, 5 by 18. Because meter to kilometer divided by 1,000. Second to hours 60 to 60. So 5 by 8. So how much you'll get? You will get 864 kilometer per hour.
Isn't it 18 by 5?
18 by 5. Who said? Okay, then 18 by 5. I didn't. Okay, I didn't check it. You only said no. Somebody said here 5 by 18. Okay. Yeah. If you have doubt, listen. If you have doubt, not to worry. Meter to kilometer divided by 1,000 per second to hour 60 to 60. That's only, not to by heart it. Clear now? 240 divided by 1000 into 16 to 60. Not to by heart it. Meter to kilometer divided by 1000. By second only, per second. The second tower going up 16 to 60. Whatever it is, that is 18 by 5. Okay, copy fast now. It's a star question, usually come in exam. Okay. So write full explanation. Okay, explain the figure and calculate it. If anyone had doubt, tell me this question. Okay. Why calculate BD? Aksha, without BD, BD is equal to C. Directly, you cannot find out CE, no. As from the figure, CE equal to BD. That's why. Clear now? Okay. Who has another doubt? Who has doubt? Who this one? Others, your doubt? Okay. Last step is others. Okay, last step others. We got tan 30. Okay. Where you reach? You got till 240. You got till 240 or not? Okay, now simple. 240 meter per second. Meter per second. Listen, better flight usually kilometer per hour only. Correct or not? So that's why converting to 240 divided by 1000 into second 60 into 60. That's why they by hearted. You can do by heart conversion 5 by 18. That's only. Okay. Suppose small quantities. Suppose when you buy 2 kg sugar, okay, you will tell 2 kg, correct or not? Not 2000 gram, correct? If you go to the Wakala, I'm telling you, I need 2000 gram sugar, that means something wrong. Actually, technically it is correct, but normally we say what? 2 kg. Okay. At the same time, 10 gram gold you are buying. So if you can say 10 gram gold 0.001 kilo, but we say what? 10 gram only. Okay. So like that, normally speed of the flight, you keep it as kilometer per hour. Okay. Okay, complete first. Then if you have doubt, tell me. Sneha, you got it? Finish all? Is it okay? Once we finish or not? Okay. Okay, so next question, similar one question, right? A bird is sitting on the top of a tree. A bird is sitting on the top of a tree, which is 80-meter height, which is 80-meter height, which is 80-meter height. A bird is sitting on the top of a tree which is 80-meter height. 80. Okay. The angle of elevation of the bird. The angle of elevation of the bird. The angle of elevation of the bird from a point on the ground. From a point on the ground is 45 degree. The angle of elevation of a bird. The angle of elevation of the bird from a point on the ground is 45 degree. First two line, okay? Okay. Next, the bird flies away. The bird flies away from the point of observation. The bird flies away from the point of observation horizontally. The bird flies away from the point of observation horizontally and remains at constant height. And remains at constant height. And remains at constant height. This line okay or not? Okay. After 2 seconds, the angle of elevation of the bird. The angle of elevation of the bird. After 2 seconds, the angle of elevation of the bird. After 2 seconds, the angle of elevation of the bird from the point of observation, become 30 degree. After 2 seconds, the angle of elevation become 30 degree. Find the speed of flying. Find the speed of flying of the bird. Find the speed of flying of the bird. Question clear or not? Hello, question okay or not? Okay, Abel, look. Okay, a bird is sitting on the top of a tree which is 80-meter height. A bird is sitting on the top of a tree which is 80-meter height. Agree or not? The angle of elevation of the bird. The angle of elevation of the bird from a point on the ground is 45 degrees. The angle of elevation of the bird from a point on the ground is 45 degrees. Okay. Next line. The bird flies away. The bird flies away from the point of observations. The bird flies away from the point of observation horizontally and remains at constant height. The bird flies away from the point of observation horizontally and remains at constant height. Okay. Abel, this line okay? Okay. After 2 seconds, the angle of elevation of the bird. After 2 seconds, the angle of elevation of the bird from the point of observation. After 2 seconds, the angle of elevation of the bird. The angle of elevation of the bird after 2 seconds, the angle of elevation of the bird become 30 degrees. Then find the speed of the bird. Find the speed of the bird. This is exactly like previous question. Instead of flight, here bird. Speed should be in meter per second only, not kilometer. Okay, correct. Yeah, correct. Nia, Dilla, take root 3 value 1.732. 1.7 and calculate it. Okay. Root 3 1.732. Okay. Then tell me the answer. Okay. Take value 1.732. Okay. Finish all. You can do one more question. Do fast. Answer is 29.28 meter per second. 29.28 meter per second. 29.28 meter per second. Okay, finish. Okay, so next question. The angle of depression. Next question. The angle of depression. The angle of depression of the top and bottom of a the angle of depression of the top and bottom the angle of depression of the top and bottom of a 50-meter high building. Answer is fractional. Previous answer is 29.28 meter per second. 29.28 meter per second. Okay. Continue the question. The angles of depression of the top and bottom of a 50-meter high building. 50-meter high building from the top of a tower. From the top of a tower are 45 degree and 60 degree. From the top of a tower are 45 degree and 60 degree. Question again. The angles of depression of the top and bottom of a 50-meter high building from the top of a tower are 45 degree and 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower and the horizontal distance between the tower and the building. the horizontal distance between tower and the building. Okay. Use root 3, 1.73. Root 3 equal to 1.73. Root 3, 1.73. Okay, try now. You got the question all? Hello, got the question? Question. The angles of depression. Listen. The angles of, I'll read full. The angles of depression of the top and bottom of the angles of depression of the top and bottom of a 50-meter high building from the top of a tower. From the top of a tower are 45 degree and 60 degree. This line okay, Abir. First line clear. Okay. Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower and horizontal distance between the tower and the building. Horizontal distance between the tower and the building. Find the height of the tower and the horizontal distance between the tower and the building. Horizontal distance between the tower and the building, and find out. Use root 3, 1.73. 1.73. Okay, try now. Okay. Are you getting? The figure is what? A tower and a building. Look. Here, this is the tower. AB, the tower. Suppose you are in the top 10th floor. Opposite building, 5th floor, like that. AB, that angle of depression. Okay. The building is here. Chota building. CD. Okay. The angle of depression of the top and bottom of a 10-meter tall building. Here, this is 50 meter. From here, first top. This angle, how much? 45 degree. Then next, 60 degree. So this is 60. This is 45. Okay, it's just like you're sitting near the window. Okay, look at the opposite building, first 5th floor. Then ground floor, like that. Here 50, this also 50. This is X, this is also X. Why? Tan 45 is 1. This is also X. Now we can find out. Okay. Clear now? Question clear or not? The angle of, listen, the angle of depression of the top and bottom of a 50-meter high building from the top of a tower are 45 degree and 60 degree. Here the top. First, top of the opposite house is 45 degree. Then bottom, 60 degree. You have to mark here and here also. Okay, calculate it. Height is, let me check. Height is 118.25. 118.25. And width is how much? 60. I don't know that. Okay. You can assume tan 60 equal to 50 plus x by x. Root 3 equal to 50 plus x by x. Root 3x equal to 50 plus x. X into root 3 minus 1 equal to 50. Rationalizing. X equal to 50 divided by root 3 minus 1. So that is 50 into root 3 plus 1 by 2. So 25 into 1.73 plus 1. How much that? Okay. $1.73 plus 1 into 25. 68.25. Yes, 68.x. This height, that means distance between tower and building is 68.25. Okay. Now, after that, height 68.25 plus 50. That height is 118.25. Okay. So study up to here. Okay. This is enough today. So all okay, this is enough.